Hi everyone, it's Danuary, and I thought I'd do an unboxing video. It's been a while since we've done one of these, and Ripley thinks that it's probably for one of her bee boxes. I can't say this thing that's actually there because she'll go crazy bananas, but here it is. So instead, what I'm going to be doing is checking out this brand new car camera right here. Basically, my dad got this for me. As you guys know, I've been driving for Lyft for the last couple of weeks, and this is a great tool to have with me to make sure that while I'm on the road, anything that may happen is at least in my favor in the long run. We'll see. So here we have right here, it is a dash cam and rear cam for my car. I'm going to be installing this as well, and we can see all that's going on here. It includes both a front and rear camera for the car, and let's open this thing up right now to see what's inside. So it is an Ampulla Sentry front to rear dash cam, and showing off, basically it has full 1080p, it's got a 170-degree wide angle view, motion detection, it's auto on and off, waterproof for the rear camera, as well as infrared vision, night vision in the rear camera as well. So we'll get into all of this right here. So we've got this is the camera itself, which functions as the monitor as well. So there we go, hangs like this, mounts like this. So basically this would be facing out to the front of the camera of the car, and I would have control, touch control, and the button control of it right here on the side, so that when we get things rocking and rolling right there, we have all of the action to record with. There is what looks like room for a type of SD card on the other side right here, as well as a USB port. It's classic USB, so I imagine that it's going to have the control in here as well. In fact, there's a lot of different control parts right here, cabling as well, including looks like the rear camera right here. I'm sure eventually when I read the instructions, it will have all of those answers. Yeah, so this is the rear camera right here. It's this little cube, and let's go ahead and pull it out to show you guys right now. So there we go, that's the rear camera, and that's gonna end up getting mounted in some way on the back of the car. It has a charging port for on the go, which totally makes sense to have. All the application tools as well, and then the USB cable right here. All of the instructions are in there as well, including how to mount it. So yeah, we have basically the screen is the camera itself as well. And was I correct? Yeah, so the this is the rear camera, which would go on the rear. So that's basically everything that comes with it. We'll get some tests of it as well, and let's show exactly how the dash cam works.
Have you not? What? Yahoo! Look out!
So thank you guys for watching. This is probably going to be the most boring part of Danuary, but there it is. And of course, as I mentioned, I'm driving for Lyft. If you guys have not yet had a Lyft ride yourself, or if you want to start driving for Lyft, I'm going to go ahead and include 2 links at the bottom in the description. One, if you decide you want to start driving for Lyft, make sure you sign up with my code. Or if you want to start getting Lyft as your mode of transportation, make sure you use the other link that I have down there as well, so that you can get in on that action right there. Thank you guys for watching. This has been an unboxing video of the Ampulla Sentry rear and front dash camera. If you guys enjoyed this, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you did enjoy this, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. It can only get worse from here. Thank you guys for watching, and stay difficult.